What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to swap or convert your Bitcoin to XRP Ripple. So what we will do, log into your account on Coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this homepage of Coinbase. Now what we will do, we will simply click on My Assets, and there you will find the amount of Bitcoin which you have in your wallet. If you want to convert your Bitcoin to XRP, simply click on the Bitcoin asset, and after that you will arrive at the price overview of Bitcoin. Now, what we will do, we have three options. We can buy Bitcoin, we can sell Bitcoin, or convert it. Simply click on Convert, and after that you can fill in the amount of Bitcoin you would like to convert. So after that, you can select below the asset which you would like to convert to. Now we can click on it and tick in XRP. After that, select it, and now you have selected that we are going to convert our Bitcoin to XRP. You can click on Preview Convert, and after that there will be opened a overview about the cost and the Coinbase fee which you will be paying to Coinbase to convert your assets to XRP. If you would like to convert it right now, then you can click on the button below, and the amount of Bitcoin will be withdrawn from your account and the amount of XRP will be added to your assets. So, hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video about Coinbase tutorials. See you guys, bye bye.